Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you're watching from. Welcome to today's video where I have partnered with Raycon to tell you about their everyday earbuds as well as a case, and I do have a promo code for you guys to save some money. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Shout out to Raycon for sponsoring today's video. They offered to send me a pair of their everyday earbuds as well as an everyday protective case. So these are the two colors that I've chosen. I'm going to talk to you guys more about it. However, I do also have a 15% off promo code. You can use the code Alvarez for money off of their website, and really cool, shout out to them. If you click on the link in the description, which I have, you will also see this page where it greets you guys for clicking the link and coming to my page. So I thought that was really cute. If you want to check it out, you can click again the link in the description, and don't forget to use my promo code. But these are the everyday earbuds. It comes in a bunch of different color, but as you can see, I chose it in the black. I feel like black just matches everything. If I want like a fun outfit that day or a more neutral one, black for me is just the way to go. Upon opening it, you will see the quick guide. So this is just a little manual with more information on the everyday earbuds, quick little cards so you can see everything, how it works, how to pair it with your phone, all of that good stuff. And after that, of course, here are the earbuds themselves, which I will show you, and also a little bit extra in the back. So it comes with the USB to USB-C cable as well as different sized gel tip. Perfect size. I feel like it's a very sleek, very compact, perfect for gym, for work, for phone calls, anything like that. And you just open it up. This is what it looks like. They are affordable and budget friendly at a great price. They retail for $120 Canadian and $79.99 USD for ergonomic earbuds. Trust me, these are so good. Again, you can use them for so many different things. So the case lets you know left and right. I just pulled out the right. Right now I am just showing you them with the medium tip, which is the one that fits most people. It also comes with a small and large as well. And let me tell you, the noise canceling on these are so good. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, just even having one, I already tested them out. I took them when I was on my walking pad, which I absolutely loved using them. Very comfortable. They do not hurt my ear, and I just absolutely love them. 10 out of 10 for comfortable sleekness, and the way that music sounds on them as well is really good. Also great about these is the battery life has 32 hours worth of battery life, and if you want a quick 10-minute charge, that charges the headphones for an hour and a half in just 10 minutes, which is great. And connectivity, so these are obviously Bluetooth. What is great about them is you can connect it to two different devices at the same time. Also water resistant in case you catch yourself out running in the rain. Not to worry, they are water resistant, and 30-day happiness guarantee, which means you can literally test them out for 30 days. Open it, test it out. If you don't like it, you can return it for free, which is phenomenal. I feel like a lot of headphones that I've bought, as soon as you open the box, unless they are defective or anything happens within that 1-year warranty, you cannot return them. However, these ones, test it out. See if you like it. Do what you need to do with them. 30 days. If you don't like it, send it back. Happiness guaranteed. However, I don't think you're going to return them because, trust me, they are very sleek, comfortable, great battery life, connect up to 2 different devices. What is not to love about them? I don't know. I really like them, and I'm really excited because Pablo and I are going to go back to the gym. So happy that we have this now. So this is, again, the everyday earbud that retails for $120 Canadian, and this is the protective case for it. So I went ahead and I chose the concrete one, but they do have, I believe, 4 or 5 that I was able to choose from. However, I think it is so pretty. I love the style for this, and it's super easy to also put on your case. So obviously just grab your case, stick it in there. Over here it just has a little peel and stick that you take off, and then you can connect it. I think it's just such a cute little detail. So this retails for $30 Canadian and then $19.99 USD. Again, they have different colors, so you can mix and match between the everyday earbuds and the protective case, but this is just the one that matched my style the most and which one I loved. This is a close-up of what it looks like, the protective case and the earbuds themselves. Absolutely love it. It is truly so sleek and they fit great. Go to buy visit raycon.com/Alvarez to get up to 20% off site-wide. That's right, you get 20% off their entire website. They actually have these over the head ones that I want to try, so hopefully we can do a part 2 and I can review those, but they're like white and rose gold and just so pretty. But these ones also phenomenal, 10 out of 10. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!